Important points for civil site engineers. प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज ऑफ सिविल इंजीनियरिंग। निर्माण में सिविल इंजीनियरों को कई गतिविधियां करना और इस समस्या के समाधान के लिए त्वरित साइट निर्माण समस्याओं का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। सिविल इंजीनियरों को इन बिंदुओं, युक्तियों और युक्तियों को याद रखना चाहिए। सिविल इंजीनियरों के लिए इसे याद रखने और निर्माण कार्य को आसान बनाने के लिए सामान्य टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और टेबल हैं। सिविल साइट इंजीनियरों के लिए महत्वपूर्ण और बुनियादी ज्ञान नीचे दिया गया है। बेसिक पॉइंट्स फॉर सिविल इंजीनियर। ये सारे पॉइंट बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण हैं। आप लोग किसी भी इंटरव्यू में जाने से पहले इनको जरूर तैयार कर लें। 1. In soil filling as per is code for every 100 square meter, M2, 3 sample for core cutting test should be taken. 2. The compaction of concrete should be done properly. 3. Concrete should be transported to the shortest route. 4. Reinforcement design should be done according to the as per is codes. 5. The height of floor to floor should not be less than 3 meters and not more than 4 meters. 6. Water absorption of bricks should be less than 15%. 7. The combination of cement, sand, and coarse aggregate should be according to the design. 8. pH value of water should not be less than 6 because below the pH value of 6 it is acidic. 9. For calculation of unit weight of steel, the formula is D2 160 seconds.162 in kilogram per meter. 9. This formula is used when the diar of bar is in mm. 9. While for lb per foot the formula is used D250 seconds.9 where diar of steel is in sotar. 10. Concrete cover should be sufficient. 11. The compressive strength of brick is 3.5 N per millimeter. 12. Concrete should not be fall from more than 1.5 meters height. 13. Don't use over vibrator in concrete. 14. For dowel bars the diar of steel should not be less than 12 millimeters. 15. For chair bar the diar of steel should not be less than 12 millimeters. 16. The formwork should be tight. 17. The longitudinal bars should not be less 0.8% and not more than 6% of gross CS. 18. The minimum number of bars in circular column is 6 nose, while in square column the number of bars is 4 nose. 19. Cement should be stored in dry place. 19. It would be raised from the 8 inches above floor level and 1 foot or 300 millimeters away from each side of walls. 19. The cement bags should be stocked more than 10 bags in such a manner. 20. Electrical conduits shall not run in column or beam. 21. In steel construction the binding wire required is 8 kg per mt. 22. The spacing between chair bars should not be more than 1 meter or 1 chair bar per 1 square meter. 23. The dimension tolerance for cubes plus 2 millimeters. 24. Earthquake excavation for basement above 3 meters should be steep form. 25. The water cement ratio must be checked. 26. Water cement ratio is different for different grade of concrete. For example, water cement ratio should be 0.45 for M20, M25 and above. 26. 0.50 for M15, M10 and below. 27. The cube test should be done for every 30 cubic meter, M3, area. 28. The aggregate which are used in concrete must be free from silt, dust and clay or other impurities. 29. In aggregate the angular shape is good for construction. 29. In angular shape aggregates it makes the bond perfect and concrete is prepared from it very strong and have high strength. 30. Lapping of bar must not be used having diameter more than 36 mm. 31. Minimum thickness of slab must not be less than 125 mm. 32. For normal construction the size of coarse aggregate ranges from 10 to 20 mm.